Hello students, today I am going to discuss about infertility which comes under gynecology unit 3. So in that we are going to see the first introduction, definition, risk factors, causes of infertility in men and women, types of infertility, diagnosis, treatment, counseling and the legal issues in the infertility. So coming to introduction first. Infertility is a significant social and medical problem affecting couples worldwide, and infertility refers to an inability to conceive after having regular unprotected sex. An average incidence of infertility is about 15% globally, and it is different in different population. So some causes can be detected and treated, whereas other cannot. And unexplained infertility constitutes about 10% of all cases. So it means it is a condition where even though if the couples have a sex for a 6 month without any protection also, they will not be able to conceive, and the incidence is very much in the all over the world. So in that some cases we can find out the causes and we can treat, but in some cases like we will not know the exact cause, so there is not possible for any treatment. Like for 10% you can say, in the 10% there is no treatment for the infertility, and the infertility can occur because of male causes and because of female causes also. According to Mayo Clinic in USA, they told like 20% cases of infertility are due to problem in the male, 40 to 50% are due to because of woman problem, there is some problem in the woman, and 30% cases are due to both, and remaining 10%, as I told, it is there is no explanation, there is no causes for it. Okay, it is unexplained. So like this, it is the incidence of infertility: 20% because of male, and 50% because of women, and 30% because of both. Okay, and remaining 10% or 20% it is unexplained. So this is the incidence of infertility. Now coming to definition of infertility. Infertility is the failure to achieve a birth over a 12 months periods of unprotected intercourse, or infertility is the inability of the sexually active non-contraceptive couple to achieve the pregnancy in 1 year. It means even they are doing intercourse without using a contraceptive also, they are not able to conceive. So that case we will call it is a infertility. Next we are going to see the risk factors of infertility. So risk factor or causes of infertility, it can occur because of man as well as because of woman or because of both. So first we are going to study about the causes that you can see in the man. So in the man, what are the causes is there for infertility? So first one is low sperm count. So less than 10 million sperm per ml of semen, and normal count is 20 million sperm per ml of semen or more. So normally it is 20 million or more, but what happened in this case, the male or man have less than 10 million, so it can cause infertility. Second one is no sperm, that is called as absence of sperm in the semen. So there is another cause that can cause the infertility, that is no sperm. Next one is low sperm motility. It means sperm are immotile and cannot swim. So if they cannot swim, from the testosterone it can't reach to the female reproductive tract. Next one is abnormal sperm. So it's like unusual shape, more difficult to move and fertilize egg. And it causes testicular infection, testicular cancer and testicular surgery. You can see the picture here, difference between the normal and the abnormal sperm shape. So because of that also there is a chance of becoming infertile. There are some more causes that can make a man infertile, like overheating testicles, ejaculation disorder, and varicella. Varicella means it includes varicose vein in the scrotum, undescended testicles. It means immediately after the birth, the testicles from the abdomen, it should descend to the scrotum, but in some cases it will be still undescendant. In that case also it can cause infertility. Next is hypogonadism. It means testosterone deficiency. The testosterone hormone in the sperm, it will be less. Next is genetic abnormality. If the male has some genetic abnormality, it can cause infertility. Next one is mumps or testicular inflammation. Next one is hypospadiasis and chlamydia infection. So these are the other causes that can cause infertility in the male. Next, coming to the causes that you can see in the woman. The first one is ovulation disorder. So it is premature ovarian failure. Okay, it means before the age of 40. Polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOD, you will say normally. Hyperprolactinemia in the non-pregnant state and the poor egg quality. So these are the ovulation disorder that can cause infertility in the woman. And there are some more problems like problem in uterus and fallopian tubes like surgery, some submucosal fibroids, endometriosis and previous sterilization treatment also can cause infertility. And if the woman is taking such medication like aspirin or ibuprofen or chemotherapy, the patient has undergone the chemotherapy or radiation therapy or any illegal drug abuse, that also can cause the infertility in the woman. So with this we have seen what are the causes that we can see in the male as well as in the female. There is different cause. So sometimes because of both and sometimes because of individually can cause the infertility.